Hi friends, welcome back to A to Z English words. A for assurance, English meaning confidence, Tamil meaning நம்பிக்கை. B for bazaar, English meaning market, Tamil meaning சந்தை. C for cutlery, English meaning cutting instruments, Tamil meaning வெட்ட பயன்படும் கருவிகள். D for darken, English meaning make dark, Tamil meaning இருட்டாக்கு. E for employment, English meaning occupation, Tamil meaning வேலை. F for froth, English meaning foam, Tamil meaning நுரை. G for garland, English meaning wreath of flowers or leaves, Tamil meaning மாலை. H for hang, English meaning suspend, Tamil meaning தொங்கவிடு. I for inapplicable, English meaning unsuitable, Tamil meaning பொருத்தமற்ற. J for justify, English meaning prove to be right, Tamil meaning சரி என்று நிரூபி. K for knave, English meaning a rogue, Tamil meaning vanjagan. L for leak, English meaning pass out of a hole, Tamil meaning ஒழுகு. M for motto, English meaning principle, Tamil meaning குறிக்கோள். N for numerous, English meaning great in number, Tamil meaning எண்ணற்ற. O for objection, English meaning expression of dislike, Tamil meaning ஆட்சேபம். P for peel, English meaning strip of skin or bark, Tamil meaning தோல் அல்லது பட்டையை உரி. Q for quandary, English meaning confusion, Tamil meaning குழப்பம். R for rinse, English meaning cleanse in water, Tamil meaning கழுவு. S for secure, English meaning to make safe, Tamil meaning பத்திரப்படுத்து. T for timely, English meaning in proper time, Tamil meaning சமயத்திற்கேற்ற. U for uncivilized, English meaning rude, Tamil meaning முரட்டுத்தனமான. V for vision, English meaning sight, Tamil meaning பார்வை. W for whirl, English meaning revolve rapidly, Tamil meaning வேகமாக சுழற்று. X for exceed, English meaning go beyond, Tamil meaning அதிகரி. Y for symptom, English meaning sign, Tamil meaning அடையாளம். Z for blaze, English meaning burn with flame and bright light, Tamil meaning பிரகாசமாக சுடர்விட்டு எரி.